So today I want to extend the invitation to you to come and join us in Gardenary and create your own garden consulting business right alongside hundreds of other gardeners that are doing the exact same thing.
I decided to join Gardenary because I had actually already started my business and I was feeling lost. I didn't know what direction I should be going in. I really wanted to grow my business, but I didn't know how to get from A to B, and I needed more direction. And I found Nicole and I saw what she was doing with Rooted Garden, and I said, that is exactly what I want to do with my business.
I decided to join Gardenary because I really wanted a support system. So I had this desire to start my own gardening business, but I had no idea how to get there. So I not only wanted a team of people, a group of people to show me how, but I really wanted support on every step of the process.
I decided to join Gardenary because I love to teach others about what I love. I love to garden. I wanted others to feel that passion and to share that knowledge with them.
I joined Gardenary because I had a desire to grow vegetables and to teach other people how to do it. I think it's really important for us to go back to our roots and where things started. And after I learned it and loved it so much, I thought it was important to teach others, and Gardenary had the perfect system, the perfect program to get me started in that direction.
So over the years, I've taken all that I've learned from growing my own business, Rooted Garden, and put it into a compact and complete system that you can literally take, learn from, and apply to create your own garden consulting business right where you live. So in the first set of modules inside your garden consultant training, you're going to learn all about the garden coach industry. So I bring you inside to show you the backside of this business, how it was built, and what's going on in the industry right now. Then I walk you through the garden coach's pathway, so how you create a system for your clients to guide them through as you teach them as their consultant. So we'll help you get your business set up right away the first time and show you the step-by-steps to do so, not just to get the business set up and registered, but to really start to put the pieces and parts about your business together. Then after you get your business set up, it is time to start creating your products. So throughout the training, we start to help you decide and define which products are going to be primary of importance to your business. So as you start creating your products, then it comes the most important part, and that is finding your clients. So our garden consulting training is going to help you learn how to use what we call modern marketing. So using the content, documenting all the great work that you do as a gardener, and turning that into your marketing in some really neat ways. So we help you set up your business, we help you build the products that you're going to sell, refine them, and decide how you're going to present them to the clients. And then we dive all the way into how you're going to market those so that you can grow your business in the fastest way with the least amount of spending. After you've set up your business, you've started to create your products, you've started to sell some of your products, then we start to teach you how to create systems so that you have a business that lasts. So our last 3 trainings inside your certification are really going to dive into the most important parts of your business. So the structure of your business. We're going to help you understand and plan how you're going to set up the structures of your business that will support it long term. Then we'll teach you how to do all of the outward-facing parts of your business, your marketing, your website, your content, all the ways that you're going to communicate with the outside world from your business. And then finally, we talk about all the inner working parts of your business. So your finances, the legalities, the insurance, all the pieces and parts that you previously have to Google and search the internet to find, or just like wonder what the answer is. You're going to find all of that inside of the training. So all of this is provided for you inside the Gardenary certification training system, and it's all yours as soon as you sign up. You get to start being trained, learning how to set up your garden coach business, and these trainings, after you've gone through them, you have access to these trainings for good. So you can come back and watch them again and again as you continue to grow your business. So I hope that you'll consider coming and joining us inside of Gardenary. Here on this page and throughout the Gardenary site, you can find out more about what it takes to join us. I want to thank you so much for taking this journey with me over the last few videos. From way back when I was in my garden and wondering if I could ever create a business for myself, when I started Rooted Garden Goods, all the way to here, I'm actually now standing in the garden of one of the garden consultants who works for me at Rooted Garden. So currently, as I'm making this video, I have 3 consultants that work for me full-time almost for Rooted Garden here in Houston. And I have over 500 gardeners around the country who are starting businesses just like mine in all different towns and cities across the country. It's crazy. So I hope you'll come and join us, find out more on this page. Thank you for watching. Here's to taking your garden passion and turning it into a profitable garden consulting profession with me and gardeners around the world.
Nicole has helped me grow in tremendous ways. Like the way she leads and the way she encourages is beyond anything I've ever experienced. She's understanding, and she makes sure that you know what you're doing. And if you don't, she's there to provide an answer and to lead you in the right way.
She has this philosophy that every time we offer our clients something, we should give it to them and provide them with 3 times more value than they're expecting. And she has given me 10 times more value than I ever expected with Gardenary. Between the in-person live coaching calls and all the worksheets and just all the information that she gives us and more with the emotional support, it really has changed my concept of myself and what I'm capable of.
Nicole has exceeded my expectations in every program that I've been in with her, and I think it's been a great example for the leader that I want to be and how she set the bar high, and that's just something that you're always looking to achieve and work harder and improve, and my business wouldn't be where it was at without her leadership.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.